Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Do you want to move your website to a new domain? This process needs to be done with extreme care. You need to take care of SEO fluctuations while migrating your website to a new domain. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to easily move your WordPress website to a new domain. So all you need to do is simply use a plugin and it will take care of all the other things. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Right now I'm on the website from where I want to migrate. So go to plugins and then click on add new. Now in the search box, search for all-in-one WP migration. Now this is the plugin. You just have to install it and then activate it. Once it's done, hover on to all-in-one WP migration and then click on export. Now click on export to option and then select file option. You'll see that the data is being fetched from this site. It will take some time. Now once it is loaded, click download WordPress and now save this file. Now move to the new domain where you want to move your WordPress website. Hover onto plugins and then click on add new. Then search for all-in-one WP migration. Now click on install and then activate it. Once it's done, hover on to all-in-one WP migration from dashboard sidebar and then click on import. Then select import from. Now upload the file that we downloaded earlier. This process will take few minutes depending on your internet speed and server speed. You'll see a dialog box now. Click on proceed. Now after proceeding, once your data is successfully imported, you can now visit your new domain and log into the same. You can see that the WordPress website is now moved to a new domain as it was. So this is how you can easily move your WordPress website to a new domain.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.